Hey DIY decorators! Today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are painting candles with Americana Decor Chalky Finish and embellishing them with glitter. This is a great way to spice up your Valentine's Day decorating. Are you ready? Here's what you'll need. For the stripes on the taper candles, just use regular white school glue and glitter and you'll be just fine. Americana Decor Chalky Finish paints come in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. Bye!